served. Seriously. Free drinks. Here, where did I get served? Hooters. You know, usually, when you're going to serve somebody with papers, they ask you, does he have any patterns? Is he predictable? Do you know where he's going to be on particular days? I got served at Hooters. I'm with 20 of my friends. They're actually giving me a going-away party because I'm going to go become a big comic. You know, I'm leaving town. There's a girl there. My buddy brought his friend. It's like his sister's friend. She's cute. She's interested. I'm telling him, yeah, I'm going to the East Coast. I'm going to become a comic. This guy walks in. He goes, are you Tony Valley? I go, yeah, no autographs, please. He hands me a fucking document and runs out the door. I'm standing like an asshole in front of all my friends. And some black guy pops his head out. He's like, you got served! Which I'm pretty sure she paid extra for, but it was a nice touch.